Babies. They're cute, playful, and sometimes a handful. Moms across the country share something else, too, labor pains. Monica Buffetti knows the feeling too well.
We went to the hospital on a Wednesday morning, and then we didn't end up having the baby until Thursday afternoon.
Like many first-time moms, Monica was looking forward to a pain-free birth, but that meant an epidural, something she didn't want.
There is some evidence out there that it can make you more likely to have a C-section or slow things down.
Studies suggest an epidural could cause respiratory depression in the baby, malpositioning, and an increase in the baby's heart rate, which increases the need for a C-section. After ruling out all other medication, Monica heard about an option available to a few U.S. women, nitrous oxide, better known as laughing gas.
I did some reading just to find out what it was all about and, if it was safe for the baby.
The technique is the most common pain reliever in the world. In the U.S., only 3 centers actually offer the gas during labor.
It reduces the pain that the mother feels, and it also has an anxiety-reducing effect. So you feel less pain.
A specialized machine mixes 50% oxygen and 50% nitrous oxide. This ensures that the gas never becomes anesthesia, as it does when used in the dentist office. Women also have the freedom to control when and how much anesthetic she gets.
When she feels a contraction coming on, she places the mask on her face and breathes during the contraction.
It works in less than a minute with few side effects. In some people, the gas can depress breathing as well as cause drowsiness. Anesthesiologists do not know the long-term effects the gas might have, but so far it's been proven safe for both mother and baby.
One of the biggest advantages of nitrous oxide is it allows for less medicated birth, but it's very effective.
While it doesn't wipe away the pain completely, it can sometimes lower it.
It really took care of a great deal of my pain. I would say maybe 80%.
Now she can forget the pain of labor and enjoy the gift of being a mom. I'm Vanessa Welch reporting.
She needed a place to lay down here, but